In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mix multiple music tracks in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to layer two audio tracks and treat them as one clean, manageable clip, perfect for blending background music with beats, ambience, or sound design without cluttering your timeline. First, open CapCut on your computer and head into your project. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you're looking at a blank timeline. Make sure your audio tracks area is visible at the bottom of the interface. That's where we'll be doing the work. Next, add two audio files you want to mix. You can import them into your media bin or simply drag them straight into the timeline. Place each track on its own audio lane so you can see their waveforms clearly. This visual helps you align downbeats, vocals, or key moments. If there's extra silence at the beginning or end, feel free to trim those edges now so the tracks start exactly where you want them to. As you position them, listen for overall balance and timing. If you notice one track is a lot louder than the other, keep that in mind. We'll address balance shortly. Now select both audio clips at the same time. The easiest way is to click the first clip, then hold Shift and click the second clip so they're both highlighted. Zoom in a bit if you need precision, and double-check that only the two audio clips are selected. This ensures the next action applies just to your music, not to any other elements in the timeline. With both clips selected, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. CapCut will instantly group those two tracks into a single tidy clip on your timeline. Functionally, this lets you move, cut, fade, and time your music as one unit, which is incredibly helpful for keeping everything in sync. It also makes your timeline cleaner and reduces the chance of accidentally nudging one layer out of place. If you need to fine-tune later, you can still go back and adjust levels or timing inside the compound setup rather than rebuilding your mix from scratch. A few quick tips as you listen back. Keep an eye on your audio meters and aim for healthy headroom, avoiding any red peaks. A subtle volume adjustment before you compound can help prevent clipping. Gentle fades at the start or where tracks overlap can smooth transitions, and panning slightly left or right can add separation without making the mix feel lopsided. That's it. Open CapCut, add your two audio tracks, select them both, and create a compound clip. Simple, controlled, and ready for polished results.